You want? I can get him. You want to get him? Oh, he said he was gonna go get him. God dang, I really want to watch that. Y'all see me pick him up all the time. I was hoping he'd go get him. Yeah, I'm telling you folks, it's so freaking hot out here. My phone just quits working. I didn't get to finish my last video because it's Friday, folks. Y'all put the work in, we put the work in. When the weekend comes, it's time to get fly with the honeys. I guess he's gonna come get them. I get one of them. Like he said, this is a 68 Fiat, something like that. Oh, he's just gonna go get some. How about that, folks? We got some heavy equipment on Cowboy Car Crushing. How cool is this? I hope he didn't have no hoses. Well, I guess he wouldn't have any hoses dragging. I guess he's trying to clear a path for me. Now I feel like I'm really like one of those dirt construction job sites. I'm a dude in the loader just sitting and watching everybody else work. I swear. I remember even before I started in the junkyards, I remember driving down the highway and seeing like a loader sitting at a big pile of dirt. Just sitting there waiting for trucks to show up, and I was like, man, how do I get that job right there? I want to be that dude. It's freaking awesome. Man, that's got a really big freaking bucket on it. It's pretty cool. Man, we really need him to crush a car. But there's a ton of videos of excavators busting cars down. I wonder if he's gonna bring me one. I just don't want to drive right up in the middle of his show. Real later. Got his lunchbox in between the eggs. That's a real later. Them boys get off these machines. I mean, they're all day. What is Cowboy pulling out of the bushes now? I better get out of the way. Don't want a tree down on. Got the miss. Oh, look at that. We don't get to do this every day. We don't get to do this every day. videos 2 days. I've been the guy, and I'm telling you, I can record about 6 minutes, and then I would get the phone is too hot to record. Ain't too hot for us to keep working. We'll be out here tomorrow, so I'm gonna get 1 day with the honey. I guess that fishing trip. I called my buddy first thing this morning. Like, man, we might go. Let's pretty plan for a fishing trip. Where's this dig 18? This is dig. That's like a lot of. Don't lose the license plate on the back, cowboy. A lot of people want them license plates now. That's an old one. That's an old one. Man, that cedar tree smells so good. Dang. Well, I almost got whipped with a switch, didn't I? Well, I don't know. Who grew up like that? That's real growing up. When your mama's like, go get a switch. Go get a switch. And you better get a good one. My brother, God, he never got no trouble. He was Mr. Goody Two Shoes. And one time both of us got in trouble. Well, I got in trouble, but we both got blamed for it. Anyway, Mom told both of us to go get a switch. This dude comes back with a log big as his leg, and he's like, here, Mom, just go ahead and kill me. And she's like, oh, honey, just go to your room. Here I come with a real switch, and I get tore up from the freaking ankles up. Golly. I wish I'd have thought of that. How cool is this? Bubba, I can go in there and drag it out, but I think it's better to watch you do it. You never know what you're gonna see on Cowboy Car Crushing. Got a pretty good goddamn big old thumb on there too. That's like a real deal. Wow. I don't know if it's dig. How about land clearing? Well, they do that stuff too. I know Dirt Perfect does. Come on, man, just reach over and grab that truck. Just reach over and grab it. I think he's trying to build me a road to go get it, which is nice. I ain't never had nobody do that. Reach over and get it. Bubba, we're crushing them. on ground? No. I'm telling you, folks, it's been working on to get calls. They've developed both sides of the problem. Both sides of it. It's more tangled this year, and both sides have been brought up to 10, 6 feet, and you got part ready for the rest of them. A trailer on there too. No, I'm saying go over and shit. I can't believe it. I almost wrecked this freaking trailer. It's got that's an old Ford truck. Or somebody made it. It's a Ford stamped on the other side. Almost destroyed it. Oh my gosh. Maybe I can bring it back out. It's Ford stamped in the tail. I mean, you're going to see the reverse side here. If I get it to work. It's backwards. Dang. Hey, Cowboy, nope, man. Oh, I don't. My job's here to crush. My job ain't to say nothing. Oh, god dang. Alright, okay. Oh, god dang. Okay. Okay. What is this? We might not even it. Oh, there. The video I was going to be a crash video, like my off because it's getting so hot. And anyway, trailer 40s. 570 model Ford trucks out here, maybe more. Must have been a guy. I don't know, we might be able to crush this. You know it, y'all know it, you see it. It's the middle, when they cylinders, I see a big hole. I don't know what it is. I could probably get a hole in there. Maybe. I don't know. That windshield wiper, maybe we'll get some of that dust off the window. Well, alright, we've seen all this. Thought it'd be pretty cool. My boss was like, well, why don't you start hauling the cars to the front? Ain't no need to haul these, they're just from the country. And then some other cars out, I get by him, and you see what I'm saying? I got work to do, let him do his work. I'm not going to move to go down. What's over there left? A gangster car. That'll probably be the best thing I've ever crashed. I think it's a. I think it is. Look at this old gym. You gotta go. Tell me they that long. Stuff on that truck. Look at that. The old stuff just like the new stuff. Classic cars gotta go. Looks like it's an old Coke bottle hanging out of that truck. See it? Let's see. Look, it's at the very bottom. It's still right there by my. I can either look. Or it might be just broken. Check these out. Oh, the diaper box. Coca-Cola. I think that one says Dallas is on it. Sure does. Sound. Anyway, I gotta go. Y'all will be kind. Too bad. So